Okay, so good day. So ngayon ay i-discuss ko ngayon yung topic sa homogeneous differential equation. So let me write, no? Homogeneous differential equation. Okay, paano natin masasabi na homogeneous? Halimbawa, yung function mo, meron kang Rx, Ry is equivalent to R raised to n. Then function x and y. Now, ano yung tinatawag na homogeneous of degree? Okay. Halimbawa, no? Sa case na ito, para malaman natin, for example, sa example na bibigay ko, itong f, x, and y na equivalent to 3x cubed minus 2xy squared minus 4y cubed. Ano yung kanyang homogeneous of degree? So, ang technique dito, gagamitin natin yung formula that the function of Rx and Ry is equivalent to R raised to n, the function of x and y. So, ibig sabihin, yung function na to, lalagyan ko ng R cube, x cube, minus 2R cube, xy squared, minus 4RY cube. So, common sa kanila, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, to get the function of Rx and Ry, meron kang R cube na kung saan ito ay naka-function of x and y. So, ibig sabihin, 3 yung ating pinaka common, no? Sa part na yan, okay? Now, as you notice, alam naman natin na ang mga first order differential equation, m, x and y, dx plus n, x and y, dy is equivalent to 0. So, alam naman natin, guys, na yan ay isang example of a first order differential equation. No? Ngayon, kung titignan natin, malalaman natin siyang homogeneous kapag halimbawa, no, itong m in terms of Rx, Ry is equivalent to R raised to n, then m, x and y. Tapos yung, let's say, yung n naman na Rx, Ry is equivalent to R raised to n, x, and y. Now, para masabi mo na homogeneous yan, yung m and n must be both homogeneous of the same degree. Dapat, tandaan nyo, masasabi natin itong m dx plus n dy na equivalent to 0 is said to be homogeneous. Homogeneous, no? Kapag yung m and n must be both homogeneous of the same degree. Ibig sabihin, same degree. Okay? Pag yung n natin must be for m and n, same degree, same value. Okay, sa case na ito, halimbawa ito, ano ang homogeneous of degree nito? Ito ay 3 na common, no, both sa ating x and y, no? So para maintindihan ito, guys, no, ang solution natin for first order DE, first order DE using the homogeneous, titingnan natin tong y is equivalent to vx, then x is equivalent to y, where dy is equivalent to v dx plus x dv, and dx is equal to u dy plus y du. So basically, ganyan yung ating pinaka-solution ng ating order. Okay? So ngayon, para maintindihan ito, we can proceed to the next, no, page. Okay? So, halimbawa, example to, no? Magbibigay tayo ng example. Find the complete solution. The complete solution of. Okay, so we have 3x plus 2y dx plus 2x dy equivalent to 0. Okay? So, now, tignan mo, ito yung ating m. Ito naman yung tinatawag na n. So, ibig sabihin, tignan mo yung simpler. Pag simpler si m, gamitin mo to yung u is equivalent to xy. Pag simpler si n, ito gagamitin mo. Vx. So ngayon, sa substitute na natin. 3x plus 2vx. Then we have dx plus 2x. Ngayon, ano yung dy? Dahil ito ay simpler, ito gagamitin natin. So, natandaan nyo, yung dy is v dx plus x dv. Pag naman dx naman, kasi gagamitin natin itong du pala, by the way, is x dy plus y du. So, ito gagamitin natin, no? Okay, so substitute natin yung dy na v dx plus x dv. So, equivalent to 0. So, ngayon, ito ay, kung titignan natin, ito yung lalabas. Okay, na pinaka, tawag ito, one of the simplified form, no? Okay, pero ang problema, no, hindi siya magkakasama ng term, no? So, ito, may dx to. Pagsasama-samahin ko yung mga dx. Okay, no? So, pagkasama-samahin natin, no? Ano ba yung mga magkakasama dyan na dx? So, kumbaga sa ano, kung titignan natin, ito muna pala yan, yung magkakasama. So 3 plus, kung di ako nagkakamali, ah, meron tayong 3 x dv, no? Meron kang 3 x v quantity sa dx, no? Yan yung ating ano, kumbaga sa ano, ah yun yung pinaka-solution natin, no? Okay? So now, let's check, no? Ito 3x dx, dx dx by substitution, no? That is 2 para, sorry. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so ngayon, plus 2x dy equivalent to 0. So ngayon, common sa kanila, since ito ay may x tayo dito, i-divide ko by x both sides. Kaya ang matitira na lang dito is simply 3 plus 4v dx plus 2x dy equivalent to 0. Since the integral of du over u is ln of u plus c. Ngayon, yan yung maalala natin ng mga formal ng integral. Saka tayo papasok mamaya ng tinatawag natin na variable separable method. Okay, ano bang ibig sabihin ng variable separable? Ano yung common? Ano ba? 3 plus 4v dx plus 2x dy. So, i-divide ko by 3 plus 4b. X, i-divide ko rin by 3 plus 4b. Then, ganoon din dito. So, magka-cancel to and ito. Kaya, ito yung lalabas. Okay, pero titingnan ba natin bago tayo magpatuloy, no? Okay, ito ay integral of 0. So dito, mag-let nyo ka muna dito bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy. Then the derivative for db. or for, di ba? So, ngayon, or for the uh, DV, no? So, since ito ay DV, so, didivide ko by 2. So, meron kang 1/2 DU to DV. So, alam natin, sabi ko nga, ang integral ng du over u is ln u plus c. Kaya, most likely, ang lalabas dito ay ln of x plus 1/2 ln 3 plus 4b is equivalent to c. Okay? Okay, hindi pa tapos, no? Kasi, kinakailangan pa natin na i-integrate. Now, going back, meron kang ln of x plus 1/2 ln plus 3 plus 4b. Okay, is equivalent to c. Pwede mong iangat to. So, ln of x plus ln of 3 plus 4 v raised to 1/2. Okay, so ngayon, dahil yan ay sa law of logarithmic kasi, ang ln of x plus ln of y is simply ln of xy. Tapos ang ln of x minus ln of y, kung di ako nagkakamali, yan ay ln x over y. So basically, yan yung ano, yan yung common, no? Na pinaka-term. So ngayon, dahil plus, ito yung lalabas dyan. Pagsasamahin natin yung x, then 3 plus 4b raised to 1/2. Then equivalent to c. So raised to e, raised to e. Kaya x 3 plus 4 v raised to 1/2 equivalent to c 1, where c1 is equivalent to e raised to c. Ngayon, pwede kong i-raise sa square para matanggal yung 1/2. Kaya magiging x squared 3 plus 4 v raised to mawawala yung 1/2 equivalent to c2, where c2 is equivalent to c1 square. Now, as you notice, meron kang x squared, then 3 plus 4y over x. Substitute mo yung v is equivalent to c2. So kapag kinuha ko yung common, x, ito yung magiging 3x plus 4y multiplied by x squared is equivalent to c2. Magka-cancel out to. So magiging x, then 3x plus 4y is equivalent to, ang magiging pinakasagot dyan is c, is equivalent to c. So ito na yung magiging pinaka-answer natin. Or x multiplied by 3x plus 4y is equivalent to c na lang, no? For the complete solution. This is the final answer in this homogeneous differential equation. Okay? So I hope yan ay clear. Pero to be exact, pag tinanong kayo what is the value of C, ang C natin, or C2 rather, is equivalent to, or tama, no? Or C2 is equal to C1 square, where C1 square, where C1 is equivalent to e raised to 2c na kasi nag-multiply tayo. Pero ito, this can be a final answer. Okay, so thank you. So more examples, subscribes lang. Guys, no? Mag-subscribe lang kayo and like and share for more examples.